Hello everybody, here I am Prosenjit, a teacher of Rajgor Rangoli High School. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us start our lesson today. I am writing a sentence here. She is reading a book now. What I am reading? He is reading a book now. Would you like to guess in which tense this sentence belongs? আপোনালোকে সেন্টেন্সটো কোনটো টেন্সত আছে ধৰিব পাৰিছে নে? হয়, নিশ্চয় ধৰিব পাৰিছে। এইটো এটা প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হয়। You guess rightly. I think you guess rightly. It is in present continuous tense because here the action is going on. Here the action is going on. Here the action is going on. তার মানে কামটো ইয়াত চলি আছে বুঝাইছে। চলি আছে মানে চলি আছে বা হৈ আছে বুঝাইছে। মানে My dear viewers, those who have not watched my last video on present indefinite tense, they would able to watch the video. Link is available in my description box. Let us come to today's point. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense uses to describe something which is happening at the exact moment of speech. Example, he is watching TV at the moment. তার মানে কৈ থকা মুহূৰ্তত কোনো কাম হৈ আছে বা চলি আছে বুজালে আমি প্ৰেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াসত কৰিব লাগে। To express an action that is taking place at the moment of speaking and which is not yet complete. Secondly, to describe an event planned in the future. Suppose example you see, I am taking my English class on Monday. So these are the uses of present continuous tense. Now let us move to the structure of present continuous tense. You see the form how to write. At first you have to put subject, then you have to write be verb, then plus first from the main verb plus ing. That means প্ৰথমে সাবজেক্ট বহাব লাগিব, সাবজেক্টের পিছত বি ভার্ব বহাব লাগিব, তাৰ পিছত মেইন ভাৰ্বৰ লগত ing যোগ কৰিব লাগিব। এতিয়া কথা হ'ল যে বি ভাৰ্বনো কি আছে? প্ৰেজেন্ট টেন্সৰ বি ভাৰ্ব কি আছে? am, is, are. That means the be verbs of the present continuous are am, is, are. Suppose example, he is playing football. In negative form, so when you have to write a sentence in negative form, then you have to write at first subject, then you have to put am, is, are, any one of them, and then after that you have to put not, then verb 1 plus ing. And if you have to write a sentence in interrogative form, then you have to write the be verbs before the subject, any one of them, and then after that you have to put the first form of the verb plus ing, and after that, after putting this complete the sentence, you have to write a question mark. I would like to focus on this table. Present continuous tense, action in progress. I have take the verb play. You see, first person I. After that we have to put am. Then we have to add ing with the main verb. But in plural number, first person plural number we have to write be verb are. In this way, in second person after you have to put are, and in plural form you have to after you have to put are, then the verb ing. We have written you are playing. In third person singular number, then after subject you have to write is, then verb form of the verb plus ing, in this way. In plural number, suppose they are playing. So আমি কি বুঝিলো যে চাৰ্টখনৰ পৰা কি বুঝিলো যদি ফাৰ্স্ট পাৰসন সিঙ্গুলাৰ নাম্বাৰ হয় ফাৰ্স্ট পাৰসন সিঙ্গুলাৰ নাম্বাৰৰ লগত আমি কি বহাম এম বহাম আৰু প্লুৰেল যিমান বিলাক আছে ফাৰ্স্ট পাৰসন হক সেকেন্ড পাৰসন হক থাৰ্ড পাৰসন সবৰ লগত কি বহে আৰ বহে আৰু ফাৰ্স্ট পাৰসন লগত এম বহিলে সেকেন্ড পাৰসন লগত আৰ বহিলে আৰু থাৰ্ড পাৰসন সিঙ্গুলাৰ নাম্বাৰ ইন কেস অফ থাৰ্ড পাৰসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বাৰ ইউ হ্যাভ টু পুট ইজ that is third person I have discussed earlier in my last video. So first person means again I am saying the first person is I, we, second person you, third person he, she, Ram, Sam, etc. Let us discuss some important things. You see how you have to add ing. Suppose the verb is do, after that plus ing we have to write doing. This one very easy one. But in case of suppose verb take, T-A-K-E, after that we have to put, after adding ing we have to write taking. That means E is omitted here. The spelling will be A-T-A-K-I-N-G. In this way give plus ing it becomes giving. That means the rule is that if the end letter of a word of a verb that is E, then E is omitted after adding ing. Okay, then in some there are some exception কিছুমান ব্যতিক্ৰম আছে agree plus ing you have to write agreeing. You cannot omit. If double E then you cannot omit. You see this one get get plus ing you have to write getting G-E-T-T-I-N-G. That means you see before the last letter of a vowel the double the last letter. That means jodi mane last letter tor agor letter to vowel thake teta hole ei letter to jete ing hobo etu ki ho jabo double ho jabo janeka double ho janeka run plus ing ei yar agor vowel ase teta hole n tor ki hoise double ho gise. And more example you see this one another example just die plus ing it will be dying. Lie plus ing it will be lying, L-Y. That means I becomes Y. Okay, then hints. Finally, now. If you find now in a sentence, then you think that that sentence belongs to present continuous tense. Suppose he is reading now. Jodi tumalake now poa tanahole bhabiba je now thakile sentence to nischoi ki hobo present continuous tense hobo. Like to focus on this. There are some exception. That means there are some verbs where you cannot use in present continuous tense. Tamane kisuman verb ase jibilak ami present continuous tense use koribo noaru. Janeka ebilak verb hol the verbs are verbs of sense, see, hear, smell, etc. Verbs of emotions, love, hate, like, want, etc. Verbs of thinking and knowing, think, feel, understand, know, believe, etc. I am giving an example. You see, I am giving an example. Suppose you see, suppose I see a bird, but you cannot write I am seeing a bird. This is incorrect. This is correct. This is incorrect. Because we cannot add ing with this kinds of verb. The verb is here see. So we cannot add ing. So this one is right sentence. We have to write see as it is. We cannot write this way. Let us sum up the main points of today. You see, in affirmative sentence, affirmative means positive sentence, you have to write the form is at first you have to subject, then you have to write the be verb, any one of them. After that you have to first form of the verb plus ing, then you have to write object. And negative sentence, at first you have to write subject, then the be verbs, and then you have to put not, then first form of the verb ing, then object. In interrogative sentences, you have to write the be verbs first, any one of them, After that you have to put, and then you have to write this subject, then first form of the verb ing, then you write object, and after that you write this question mark. And in case of WH word, we know that WH what, why, when, etc. After that you have to put the be verbs, any one of them, am, is, are, any one of them, and then after that you have to the subject, then first form of the verb ing, then object. After that you write question mark. Let us take some examples. In examination you will get, use the correct form of verb in brackets. Suppose the sentence is he read now. So you find here now, that is, it is given in present continuous tense. So how will you write? You know that after putting subject you have to write be verb. This is third person singular number, so you have to put is. After that the first form of the verb is given. After that what you have to add? ing, that is reading now. That is he is reading now. तार माने যদি আমি নাও দেখিলো, নাও দেখি গম পাই গেলো প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স আছে, তেতিয়া আমি কি কৰিম? সাবজেক্ট বহাম। সাবজেক্ট যেহেতু থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নম্বৰ আছে, সেইকাৰণে ভাৰ্বৰ বি ভাৰ্ব কি বহিব? ইজ। আৰু মেইন ভাৰ্বৰ লগত আমি কি কৰি দিম? ing যোগ কৰি দিম। তাৰপিছত নাও ফাৰ্ষ্ট সেকেন্ড সেন্টেন্সটো চোৱা, the child cry because it cannot find his mother. There is no hints in this sentence, so it hinted that the child cry because it cannot find his mother. That means the action is going on. तार माने चली আছে, तार माने happening. তেতিয়া আমি কি কৰিব? দেখি যেহেতু আমি দেখিছো সাবজেক্ট কি আছে? এটা চাইল্ড। চাইল্ডটো এটা থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার। So after putting child, what verb we have to, what be verb we have to put? The child is singular. That's why you have to write is be verb. Then you have to add with the main verb, that is crying, and you have to write because it cannot find its mother. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, then motivate me by giving like. Share the video with your friends, family and others, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.